The hat. Say hat. Hat is blue.
Blue.
Okay, hanap mo yung blue. Where's the blue paint? Blue. Okay. Blue. Open the blue paint and tap. That's a blue hat. So people wear a hat on their head to protect their head from cold. Look how cold. Like this, right? Cold. Ooh, freezing. Okay, number 2. Read mo to. Say the.
The
Mittens. On your hand, say hands.
hat.
Okay. R, color. What color is this color? Red. You say red. Color. What color side? Red. Red. Letter R is for red. O, hanap red. Nasaan yung red paint? Red paint. Oh, that's pink. Red paint. Red. Red mittens. Let's open mittens. Red mittens. Go. Paint. Tap, tap mo. Tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. O, kusin mo yung takip. Cover mo na. Cover. Balik mo yung takip. Close. O, show yung work mo. Say, I colored, I painted blue hat. Say, blue
Blue.
hat. Red mitten. Okay, next, we're going to paint, what's this? The boots. You say boots. Shoes. What's that? Shoes. Say, you say it. Look at the mirror. Shoes. Okay. The shoes are brown. Ikaw, you say brown.
Wow.
Okay, hanap brown, please. Where is color brown? Good finding. That's color. Mo brown. Paint mo, paint.